channel. I wanted to share with you guys a couple of hauls that I did over at Hobby Lobby, and I've probably gone about 5 times to 3 different Hobby Lobbies in the last 2 days, and I was looking for the Gemini machine, which I still have not been able to find, so I probably will try again next week. But I wanted to share with you guys some of the items that I purchased, and hopefully you guys were able to take advantage of the 75% off. So there's quite a bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I found finally this, sorry for that glare, this envelope liner stencil kit, and I think I found this at the second Hobby Lobby that I went to, but it comes with the A7, A2, and then a mini envelope. So I think this will be good to have in my stash, and as you can see, it was $1.25. Also, I picked up some spare parts, and these were only $1 a piece, and these are the metal phrases. So I got one in the gold that says hello and love, and then one in the silver, it says dream and believe. And they had other ones, but these are the ones that I just picked up. So $1, you cannot beat that. And then I did go over to the ribbon section, and these were $1 each as well. And this is like the crushed velvet. They are 3/4 of an inch wide, and you get 2 yards of each. So I got this really pretty mint blue kind of color, and then this soft pink, baby pink color. Was able to find some of these die cuts. My stores were pretty limited. I was looking for the unicorns, and I didn't see any at any of the stores. So I did pick up the stars. These are like the enamel stars. And then I was lucky to find this one, and these are just the heart wood shapes, and they were actually in a different section. I just happened to see them, and these were $1 each. I'm sure you guys have seen most of these already. I also found this, and I can use this on a traveler's notebook, and my favorite color is sparkle, which is so true, and this was only 59 cents. I saw these on Gina's channel, and these were in the planner section, and you can totally use them like on the front elastic of your planners. So I got this one that has the believe and the love, and I just thought these were so cute, and these were $2 a piece. And then this one that has the word dream and believe, sorry for that glare, and like a star. So I thought these were really cute, so I picked those up. I also excuse me, went over to the Heidi Swapp section, and basically everything was marked down. I already do have the light box, but if you guys are looking, I believe the light box was down to $10 from $30. So hopefully you guys can find that if you guys are in the market for one. So I got these because you can never have too many letters, and this one is the mega pack, and it comes with 100 pieces, and it was $2.50. And then I also picked up this one in like the blue teal kind of color, and you get 50 letters in here, and this was $1.50. So great deals. I also did find some dies. There really wasn't much that I was interested in, but I did find the Minnie Mouse for $2.50. And each store was different, so it was kind of weird. And the one where I got the dies, she was just starting to mark up or mark down the stamps. And I asked her about the dies, and she just said, bring over the ones that I'm interested in, and she would check for me. So that was really sweet of her. And then I also picked up this Desire 8 metal dies, and this is $4, and it comes with all these hearts. I have plenty of heart dies, but for $4, I just couldn't pass that up. So I got that one. I also did pick up this Christmas Thinlits, and it comes with 9 dies. It was $3.25, and it makes like a 3D tree or something like that. It's a Christmas tree flip and fold. So I guess when you open the card up, the tree pops out, which I have nothing like this in my stash. So I picked that up. I also was able to find this Momenta cut and emboss, the one I've seen on everyone's channel basically, and this was $2.50, and super cute. I can't wait to start using that. I was able to find this Thinlits die, and it just says Amore, and it was $1.75, and it is a pretty good size. I also found this Spellbinders. I had this before, and then I got rid of it, and I'm glad it was on sale, because otherwise I would never have picked it up again. But I had used this for one of my swaps that I did for Tamika, and I love this unicorn cutout. So it comes with 4 dies. And then lastly, in the die section, I did pick up these, they're like shimmer papers. And I saw this on Erica's channel, so I was happy to find this. It was $2. You get 25 sheets, and I won't take it out of the package. I'm sure you guys have seen it, but it's just shimmery, and it comes with all these colors. You can see the pink one, hopefully, a little bit. But I thought that was a great deal. Okay, so the rest of the items are stamps. I went a little stamp crazy, but the prices were just unbelievable. So I first got this one for $2.45. I just love the saying, and I love butterflies. So it says, just when the caterpillar thought the world was over, became a butterfly. And a lot of these I thought I would just decorate my room with. So I just thought that was a beautiful stamp. So I got that one. And this was regularly $9.79. I did pick up one for like newlyweds. My best friend is getting married, so I thought I would use this on a feature card. And this was $2.25. And it was regularly $8.99. I also picked up this Hello Gorgeous stamp, and it's pretty big. I mean, it fills up my whole palm. And this was $2, and it's red rubber. I just thought that would be really, really pretty on the front of a card. I did pick up one background stamp, and this was $2.50 from $9.99, and it's just brush strokes, but I liked it because it wasn't all uniform. So I thought this would be good to create some backgrounds with. I also got this one for $2, and this is the Corinthians. This is one of my favorite verses, so the love is patient, love is kind, and I just thought it was just a beautiful stamp. And for $2, you cannot beat that. Then I got this large thank you. I love the font on this, and this was $2.50 from $9.99. Now where I'm going to store all these, I have no idea. I also found this one, and this was $2.12, and I have a plan for this for the upcoming Christmas, and it was just the perfect size. So I grabbed that one. I did pick up one Halloween. It says Bugs and Kisses. I just thought it was super cute, and it was only $1. also did find this really pretty to and from for $1, and I'm always looking for a to and from. So I like to have a variety of different sizes and fonts. So I picked that up. I also found this one. It says congratulations. I just really love the font on here. And this was $1. This one doesn't have a price on it, but it was $1. And I just thought I'd use this to make some repeating background. Just like coffee cups all over the background. I have no idea. But I just thought it was a good size for that. And it's just cute. I also picked up this super cute bunny. Look how long his ears are. And I thought this would be great for upcoming Easter. This was $1.75. And trust me, there were plenty of stamps that I put back because I was just grabbing anything that I could see. And then this was the last stamp that I picked up. These super cute rabbit ears, and this was only 68 cents. So I did also pick up a few other items that were not on clearance. I picked up these 2 crochet threads. I just love these colors, and I've never used them before, but I thought they'd be good to have in my stash. Maybe to make some tassels with, or to just embroider any type of project. So this is a, what is this called? This is Angel Pink, and then this one is Glacier Ice. Super, super pretty. So for this one I did use my 40% off coupon. And then all their Sewology items were 50% off. So I did pick up a couple threads. And this is a metallic red, which I do not have in my stash. And this is just heavy duty white thread that I like to use to sew my covers for my traveler's notebooks. So I was running low, so I picked that up. I also did pick up some more eyelets, and I always struggle with eyelets. So I thought I would give this tool a try, and it helps you use the 5/32 inches, or I don't know even how you say that, that size, which is in here, and then these are the same size, just in a darker metal. And lastly, I picked up a couple things from On Accord because they're 50% off this week. So these are just, I call them Tassel Caps. I don't know what they're really called. They're called bullets with lobster and chain. So these were 50% off, and they come in 3 different sizes. So I got the silver and the gold. So that is my haul. I'm really hoping I can find the Gemini machine, and I hope you guys have been able to get to your Hobby Lobby. Not all of them have started doing markdowns, and some of them are just sporadic, so I would just keep checking or give them a call. But I hope you guys liked my haul, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.